The fallout to all this grew even larger today. New reactions rolling in tonight on the unexpected resignations of experienced federal prosecutors from the U.S. Attorney's Office in Minnesota. Among them, Joe Thompson, a familiar face who has become a staple in the fight against fraud.
Several colleagues also quit. And reporting tonight points to the investigation into the shooting death of Renee Good by an ICE agent as a reason why they left.
Ben Henry spoke to a two-time former U.S. attorney for Minnesota about the impact all this could have on fighting fraud in the state. Ben?
Kevin Lindsay, he says significant, and also said this will likely have an impact on the shooting death investigation of Renee Good. He also had sharp words about possible pressure from Washington, D.C. as the reasoning for this mass exodus. The face of fighting fraudsters in the state is out.
The magnitude of the fraud in Minnesota cannot be overstated.
Joe Thompson and a group of his colleagues resigned from their positions in the U.S. Attorney's Office.
The team that Joe put together that was working the fraud cases was almost unparalleled.
Tom Heffelfinger was in charge of that office twice, appointed by both Bush presidents. What is the impact on specifically the mounting fraud investigations?
Who's going to do it? They're too good. It's hard to replace those people.
Essentially, you're saying it's hard for others to just slide right in and continue the work?
Can't be done.
The New York Times reports Thompson is among 6 to resign. Sources telling the Times it came over the DOJ's directive to investigate the wife of Renee Good for connections to activist groups and its reluctance to investigate the agent who fired.
I will tell you, that is disgusting. To focus an investigation on the widow of somebody who was shot by a federal agent.
Heffelfinger worries about the integrity of the work going forward.
The investigation of Miss Good's killing requires really good investigators working together with other really good investigators. And it's pretty clear to me that that is going to be extremely difficult to accomplish with this many people gone and without the state being involved.
Heffelfinger added that this is not common. Earlier today, the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension leader called Joe Thompson's departure a setback for public safety, but also promised to continue to work with the U.S. Attorney's Office on cases involving violent crime and fraud. Live in Minneapolis, Ben Henry, 5 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Ben.